Hello everyone, how are you today? Welcome to a new tutorial from Crochet with me. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this super easy and simple bow, which you can use for decoration. So let's get started. You can make this bow with 2 layers or with only 1 layer like this one. For this tutorial, I will use a 5mm hook, pair of scissors, and a small amount of yarn. To start making the bow, I will make a slip knot like this, and then I will chain 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then into the very first chain I will insert the hook and make a slip stitch to form a ring like this. Okay, then I will chain 9 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. And into the very first chain from these 9 chains, I will insert the hook and make a slip stitch again to form another ring like this. Okay, so now I have 2 rings. Into the next step, I will insert the hook inside this ring and make 12 single crochets. So here is my first one, 2, 3, and I will keep working till I have 12 single crochets inside this ring. Now I have here 12 single crochets inside the first ring. In the next step, I will go inside this middle part here between the 2 rings and slip stitch. Okay, like this. And I will insert the hook inside this second ring and also make 12 single crochets. So here is my first one, 2, 3, and finish all the 12 single crochets. I finished the 12 single crochets, and then I'm going to slip stitch in the middle part here between the 2 rings as we made before, like this. And to start working in the other side here, I will make a slip stitch into the very first single crochet here in this ring. So insert the hook and slip stitch like this. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and go to the next stitch and make a slip stitch again. Okay, after making the slip stitch, chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, and into the next stitch, slip stitch again. Continue working with the same way till the end of the 12 single crochets. Chain 3 and into the next stitch, slip stitch. Now I finished all the stitches around and reached to the last single crochet, in which I made the last slip stitch, and thus I have 11 semicircles like this. Okay, in the next step I will go inside the middle part between the two rings and I will make a slip stitch as usual. Okay, now to work around the next ring, I will go inside the first single crochet from this ring and I will make a slip stitch like this. Okay, and now chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the next stitch I will make a slip stitch. Again, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the next stitch make a slip stitch like this to form these semicircles. Okay, keep work with the same way till the end of the ring. I finished all the 11 semicircles and I reached to the last single crochet, in which I made the last slip stitch. Now I have to finish this part with a slip stitch inside the middle part as we do every time. So insert the hook inside this middle part, definitely inside the slip stitch, and make another slip stitch. Okay, now I'm going to form the second layer from the bow, so I have to make 18 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Okay, to form the ring I will go to this part and make a slip stitch inside the middle part again. Okay, now I formed the first ring. Okay, to form the second ring I will chain 18 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. Again, I will go to the opposite side from the bow and make a slip stitch again in the middle part, like this. This is the shape till now. Here is the first layer from the bow, and here are the two rings in which I will form the second layer. So let's get started. Now, inside this ring, I will make 21 single crochets. So insert the hook like this and make 1 single crochet, insert the hook again and make 2, 3, 4, 5, and keep working inside the ring till you have 21 single crochets. I finished all the 21 single crochets inside this back ring, and now I'm going to finish this part with a slip stitch inside the middle part here. So insert the hook and make a slip stitch. Okay. Then go to the second back ring and insert the hook inside it and make another 21 single crochets. So here is 1, 2, 3, and keep working till you have 21 single crochets. I finished all the 21 single crochets inside this back ring, and I'm going to finish this part with a slip stitch inside the middle part between the two rings. So insert the hook in the middle part and slip stitch. Okay. Now to start the next step, go inside the first single crochet from the ring and slip stitch again. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the next single crochet slip stitch again. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the next stitch make a slip stitch. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the next single crochet slip stitch. Keep working with the same way till the end of all the 21 single crochets. I finished all the 21 single crochets and I got 20 semicircles and finished with a slip stitch inside the last single crochet. And to finish this part, I will go inside the middle part and slip stitch again. Like this. With the same way, go to the other ring, insert the hook inside the first single crochet and slip stitch. Then chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Go to the other or the next stitch and slip stitch again. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch into the next. Chain 3, slip stitch into the next, and keep working with the same way till the end of that 21 single crochets. I reached to the 21st single crochet, in which I made the last slip stitch. To finish this part, I will go inside the middle part again and slip stitch inside it. So insert the hook like this and slip stitch. This is the shape right now, and thus we have one last step. Chain 1, leave a long tail from the yarn like this, and cut the yarn. Pull it like this. Now we have to twist this yarn around the work many times to have the shape of the bow. So take this yarn and twist many times like this around the middle part. Okay. Twist it again and again like this. This is the shape till now, and you can use the needle to hide this tail. This is the final shape of the bow. I hope you enjoyed this video. Wait for another tutorial. Bye bye.